Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Chase credit card and what are the mistakes you need to avoid while canceling your credit card. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to pay off all the balance. Okay, if you have any kind of balance which is unpaid, you need to pay your all the balance and you can use your all the rewards. Okay, or you must use all the rewards in your card. There should be no balance and there should be no rewards. Okay, and after that you need to call issuers, like you need to call Chase customer support, which is helpful in the department of credit card. You can find the phone number on the official website and you can dial their number and you can tell them that you wish to cancel your card, and they will ask you some details and they will cancel your card. And once they will cancel your card, and don't you can like forget to ask a proof of cancellation or proof of email, like your card is cancelled. And once you get the proof, after 30 to 45 days, please check your credit reports anywhere. Okay, after 30 to 45 days when you cancel your card, to sure that it was closed and you don't have any kind of existing balance. Okay, and once you done all these things, you need to you need to destroy your card. So these are the simple steps and these are the methods you can use while canceling your Chase Bank credit card. And don't forget to check your credit reports after 30 to 45 days. Okay, so this is the method. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.